Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng secure income? Secure income means consistent, predictable, protected, and low risk. Consistent income means alam mo kung kailan mo to tatanggapin. Tatanggapin mo ba to quarterly, semi-annual, or annually? Predictable income means alam mo kung kailan at magkano ang iyong tatanggapin. Protected income means it will continuously flow even if life circumstances changes. Low risk naman kapag hindi ito naaapektuhan ng market situation or kapag nawalan tayo ng trabaho. Ilan sa mga secure income na available dito sa ating bansa ay ang guaranteed payouts, retirement or pension income, fixed interest income, disability or income protection benefit, and rental income. Isa sa mga kailangang isama natin sa bucket list ay ang life insurance na nagbibigay sa atin ng secure income. Ito yung plan na nagbibigay ng 200% of the face amount as your life insurance from day 1 up to age 100. Meron din itong centenarian bonus which is 25% of the face amount and payable on age 80, 85, 90, and 95. May kasama din tong cash value na pwede mong gamitin in case of emergencies. May kasama din tong non-guaranteed dividends na pwede mong tanggapin in cash, pwede mong iwan sa company para mag-accumulate, pwede mong pambayad ng premium, or pwede mong gamitin to increase your coverage. Pwede rin tayo mag-advance as much as 60% of the face amount to be used as our terminal illness protection. And take note, marami kang options kung paano mo gustong hulugan ang plan na to. Pwede mo siyang bayaran quarterly, semi-annual, or annually. Pwede ka rin mag-pay manually, pwede ka mag-pay through online channels, at pwede rin i-auto-debit or auto-charge. Kung sa tingin mo ito yung plan na tutulong sa iyong future goals, message me now.